Ranger College Library has digital resources equivalent to any four-year university. As you explore what we have available, you will discover that it is easy to find everything you need to get your assignments done. In this video, we'll look at how to use our Discovery databases. This is the library homepage. As you can see, there are multiple ways to search and multiple collections to search through. Let's examine the one you will probably be using most often, our search bar. The search bar looks at all the databases Ranger College subscribes to, as well as every physical book in the RC library. If the library has it, you'll find it here. If we don't have it, we have tools to get it for you, like an interlibrary loan. You just have to make that request. The search process is simple. Enter a search term, select options, and filters from the boxes to narrow your search. You can see in this image we've selected Available in Library Collection, so we only see results we can access. This search is like other search engines you use, but experiment with it. Find out what you can find out. Here is an example search for information technology. With a basic search, you get lots of results. The almost 12 million results we see here will not be focused on your topic, so let's try something else. The advanced search allows you to break the topic down. Notice the three items in the search bar separated by "and" in all caps. Now, instead of searching through 12 million results, we're down to 1200. Be sure to check out the Boolean operators video tutorial in this series for information on customizing and combining your search terms. The last thing we'll look at today is our open source annex, which is just above the library search bar on our homepage. There are free resources here that anyone can use, and they're typically heavily vetted for accuracy and authenticity, which makes them perfect for assignments. If your professor is specifically asking for a source from a newspaper or a government website, this is a great place to look. You can also find a variety of sources like Internet Archive, statistics, videos, and scientific journals. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to access our Discovery databases. You can find additional resources as well as information about library scheduling and our events on the Goldman Library webpage. We hope you remember this tutorial during your time at Ranger College, and as always, please contact the library if you have any questions. We're here to help you succeed.